Hey guys, I got another DIY video for you here, man. You know, you take your car to a dealership and they tell you it needs a new engine and there's all these things wrong with it, and sometimes they're right, but not always. I've got a 2015 Chevy Malibu with a 2.0 liter turbo motor in it. It's the LTZ, fully loaded, great car, and somebody took it to the dealership. They said it needed a new motor because it was leaking oil everywhere, and they quoted them $10,000. I got it in the garage here, started getting into it, and it's called a PCV valve. It's a single direction valve. Air goes one way but not the other. On this particular vehicle, this goes from the turbo to the top of the valve cover, or as Chevy likes to call it, the cam cover. Air should only be able to move one way through this valve. It goes both ways. What this allowed to happen was oil was sucking from the valve cover, or cam cover, into the turbo, blowing the oil through the intercooler, the charge pipe, into the intake manifold. The intake manifold then had oil pooling inside of it, which was then dripping down onto the alternator belt and then flinging the oil up, causing oil to come up into the engine bay and even up onto the windshield itself. He thought the motor was bad, and that's what they told him. $20 part. Went ahead, and also in replacing all of the cam cover gaskets, I was able to purchase all of that, about $45. Basically, for less than $100, I'm able to get this car back up and driving. It's sat in the field for 2 years because the owner didn't have $10,000 to spend on a new motor. But the reality is, through a little DIY, we saved $10,000. Another quick video for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them, and I'm happy to answer any questions. Until next time.